you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we're reporting live from a place that we have not been in a while. We are at Walmart and we are about to get into some super easy rebate deals. So we are not picking up anything out of the bathroom aisle, but I just came over here because this was a quiet place for me to film the intro for this video. Y'all know Walmart can be crazy and it is the middle of the afternoon. Walmart always has my anxiety on 100 million. Why do people always want to come and stand so close to you while you're in Walmart? It's crazy. So I came over here just because it is quiet. So in today's video, I am going to be trying to knock out about 15 IBOTTA rebates. I want to complete my sunshine bonus and I also want to do my weekend warrior. So I need 15 rebates in order to get back $13. So that is the mission today. And we're also going to do a couple Shopkick deals. A little bit of Zardy. I don't think I'm messing with Brand Club. I'm not a brand clubber yet. I just haven't mastered that app, but we are definitely going to work with IBOTTA today. So without further ado, let's not waste any time. Let's jump right into the deals. So first deal up, I'm gonna grab some of these Dove bath salts. My store is out of the bubble bath, but these are $5.98. I got a $1 manufacturer coupon. It's gonna leave me to pay $4.98. And I'm gonna be submitting back to Shopkick for $4. This is gonna be just about 98 cents. Next deal we're gonna grab is a nice money maker on the Chic Intuition bamboo razors. So these are just $5.97. I'm gonna grab 2 of them. I'm gonna be using the $4 manufacturer coupons. That's gonna leave me to pay just $1.97. And then I am going to submit back to IBOTTA for $4. This is currently attaching to a $4 rebate. That's gonna make these babies free plus a $2 moneymaker, and it's just this one, the Intuition bamboo. Another item I'm gonna grab is one of these Chic original razors. So these are $5.97. You could also do like the extreme if you want to, but these are $5.97. I'm gonna be using the $4 manufacturer coupon. That's gonna leave me to pay $1.97 and then get back $2 from IBOTTA, making this product completely free. While I'm here, I'm also going to grab some of the Big Comfort 3 razors. So these are $2.98. I'm going to be using the $4 manufacturer coupon. That's going to give us $1.02 in overage to apply towards our basket total. Another freebie in the shaving aisle that I wanted to grab that my store doesn't have in stock is on the shave butter, the Dollar Shave Club shave butter. So we have multiple rebates on different apps that will make this product completely free. So let me show you my breakdown. So what you want to do is pick up 2 of the shave butter if your store has them in stock. That'll total you up to $13.94. Use 2 of the $2 manufacturer coupons and then that'll leave you to pay $9.94. Submit back for $5 in cash back on IBOTTA. We got $2.50 rebates. Submit back for $5 on Fetch Rewards, and then also get back 72 cents from Shopkick. That'll make 2 of the shave butters free plus a 78-cent moneymaker. Now I'm not doing this deal because the shave cream is not attaching to the rebate on IBOTTA. I need to find the actual shave butter. Next deal I'm gonna grab is on the Dove Men Care deodorant, and we're gonna specifically grab the ones that are 0% aluminum, the natural line. These are the new ones. So we're gonna grab one of these because they're currently attaching to 2 rebates on IBOTTA, giving back a total of $6.50. Then we're also going to be using this 75-cent off printable coupon from the Dove email list, the Dove men's email list, I should say. Then I'm also going to be submitting back to Shopkick, and I should get back a total of 92 cents from Shopkick. That's going to make my final price for one of these just 21 cents. And the best part, of course, is it's going to count for 2 rebates on IBOTTA. The next deal I'm going to be grabbing is 2 of these soft soap natural soaps. So you want to grab these that are priced at $2.78. So I'm going to be using 2 of the 50-cent off manufacturer coupons from the soft soap website. So we're going to be submitting back for 2 different rebates that should make these a moneymaker. So we're going to be submitting back to IBOTTA for $2 in cash back, $1 on each one. And we're going to get back $4 from Swag Bucks. That's going to make 2 of these babies not only free, but $1.44 moneymaker. And this soap is also attaching to two rebates for me. It's attaching to an any soap rebate and the rebate for the soap. So we should get credit for two offers by doing this deal. So the next deal I wanted to do was a moneymaker on the Queen V products. So in this deal, you need to pick up one of the bars, one of the wipes, and then one of the wash. And then that should total you up to about $11.94. And then Shopkick has a bundle. When you buy all three, you're gonna get back $16.40. As you can see, my store only has the wash in stock, so I'm not gonna be able to do this deal. But if you can find all three products, and you'll get back $16.40, and that will make these babies free, plus a $4.46 cash moneymaker. Now, since I'm already at this section, I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of these wash anyway. So these are $3.98, and then Shopkick is going to give me back $4. So this will be free plus a small moneymaker after the scan and receipt kicks. The next item I'm grabbing is the Clorox Scentiva. I'm going to grab one of these Pacific Creameries and Coconut that are $3.78. So we're going to be using this 50-cent manufacturer coupon, and then we're also going to be submitting back to Ibotta for $1 in cash back. So that's going to make this baby just $2.28. The next item I'm grabbing is two of the Clorox disinfecting mist multi-surface cleaners. So I'm gonna grab one of the sprays and then one of the refills. So I'm gonna try to use these 50-cent coupons that I printed from the Clorox website. Hopefully those work okay. Let me show you my breakdown. So these two are gonna total me up to $10.96 before our coupons, and I wish I had have come and did this deal earlier, but I just didn't have the time to make it here because we did have higher value rebates available previously. But I'm still gonna do it because I want to try these products, and it's still a pretty decent deal. So they're $10.96. We're going to use two of the 50-cent coupons, and then we have multiple offers that we're going to submit back for. So on Shopkick, it's currently giving back $2 for me. I have 500 kicks available, and then on Swag Bucks, I have $5 in cash back. So that's going to be a total of $8 in coupon savings, bring our final cost down to just $2.96, or making these $1.48 each. Now this next deal is a deal that expires pretty quickly on Fetch and Zardy, but I want to go ahead and grab it. So these Lysol all-purpose cleaners are $3.34. I don't have any manufacturer coupons. I'm not sure if we have any, but I'm just going to go ahead and grab this because Fetch Rewards I have $1 back, and then on Zardy I have $1.03. So that should make this baby just $1.31 after both of those rebates, which is a good price on this big bottle. This next item I'm grabbing just to get one of my rebates done on Ibotta to get me closer to my bonus. So these are $1.78. Ibotta is currently giving back $1.25. That's going to make this 53 cents. The next thing I'm grabbing is this Simply Almond Milk for $3.58. So I have an any almond milk rebate that counts for this, and we have it's $1, I think. No, $1.50 back on Ibotta. So after that $1.60 in savings, this is going to be $1.98 for this product. And my family really, really loves this milk. The next freebie I'm grabbing is the Oikos Yogurt. So these are $1.06. And then we have a free offer on Ibotta for $1.25. So this baby right here is going to be free for me plus a 19-cent moneymaker. This next item is a Zardy freebie. So I'm going to grab one of these Great Value brand 8-count crescent rolls. So Zardy is giving back $1.54 for these. They're $1.07 at my store. So these are going to be free plus a 47-cent moneymaker. The next Zardy item on my list is these Great Value Jumbo Buttermilk Biscuits. These are $1.06, and then Zardy is going to give us back 85 cents. So that's going to make our final cost for these biscuits just 26 cents. Y'all, I am really loving Zardy because it allows me to get food items that I would normally be paying for the low. Have y'all been using Zardy? And if so, are you guys liking it as well? The next item I'm getting for Zardy is the Great Value eggs. So these are $2.55, and then Zardy is going to give me back, let me look at my list, $1.39. So that's going to make the final cost for this just $1.16 for the 12-count eggs. Oh my goodness, you guys. So I thought that my store did not carry these shake and clean starter kits because online it said that it was not carried at this store, but look at God. So I'm going to be able to do this moneymaker deal that I thought I wasn't going to be able to do. This deal is fantastic. So what we want to do is we're going to pick up 2 of these Palmolive shake and clean starter kits. These are $2.59. So our total for both of these is going to be $5.06, and then we are going to be submitting back to 2 different rebate apps. So on Swagbucks, we're going to get back $5 for 2, and then on IBOTTA, we're going to get back $3 as well. So we're going to get back a total of $8. That is going to make the final price for these 2 not only free, but a $2.94 moneymaker. And I think I'm going to look at the numbers on these. I might be able to grab 4 and double up my money. So I just checked the offers for these Palmolive, and I am going to be able to double up on it. So I'm going to be able to make $6 in free money by picking up 4 of these. Since IBOTTA does have a limit of 5, and this is also counting for an any soap rebate, and then Swagbuck has a limit of 2 per month, and I haven't done this month, so I should be able to get $10 back on these. The next thing I'm grabbing is the Great Value Shell. So these are 82 cents at my store, and Zardy is giving back 65, so that's gonna make these just 17 cents. IBOTTA item I'm grabbing is one of the ragu sauce. So these are $1.78. IBOTTA is gonna give me back 50 cents, making this just $1.28. The Great Value Sour Cream, the 8 ounce, is the next item on my list. So these are $1.16, and then Zardy is going to give me back 95 cents. It is going to make this item just 17 cents for sour cream. The next things we're grabbing is some free vegetables courtesy of Zardy. They have a lot of different vegetable freebies. So the first one I'm going to grab is these broccoli florets. These are 98 cents. Zardy is giving back $1.25. The next freebies we're gonna grab are on the mixed vegetables, and we're also gonna grab some of the crinkle cut carrots. And with Zardy, always make sure that you're scanning your items before purchase, because I had picked up the wrong mixed vegetables, but I scanned them and I saw that those were the wrong ones. So I put back the mixed vegetables and just grabbed the carrots and the broccoli. The next item I'm grabbing is the Chobani cold brew. So these are $4.22, and we do have a $1 manufacturer coupon that I may or may not have on me. And then we also have a $1 IBOTTA rebate and $1 back on checkout 51. That'll make this just $1.22. This next item I grabbed was a couple of these Splenda. These are $3.83. So IBOTTA is giving back $1, and then we also have this $4 off of 2 manufacturer coupon. That'll make these just 83 cents each. All right, you guys, so my cart is full and it's organized. I just pulled all of my paper coupons. I'm about to go through really quickly and scan all of my offers on IBOTTA just to make sure that they're still valid, because y'all know how it goes. You can buy something and then by the time you get to your car, the rebate be gone. So always check before you check out that all of the offers that you plan to do are still currently on your apps. So that's what I'm about to do, and then we're gonna go and check out, and then we will debrief and see how much everything cost. You guys, and I'm so happy I just did that final check, because just like that, the Splenda offer that was there when I walked in the store is now gone. So I need to find another offer to do real quick so that I can hit my 15 offers for my bonuses. So to replace that Splenda, I'm gonna grab one of these Duncan iced coffees real quick. So these are $2.38. IBOTTA is giving back 50 cents, so that's gonna make these $1.78, which won't throw my total too far off what I had already planned with the Splenda. So this will be a nice treat to myself. Here is my total before my coupons are applied. I had about $6 in taxes, so this is really about $100 worth of product. And I'm scanning all of my coupons. Everything scanned successfully, and nobody had to come over to approve anything, so I was super excited about that. So even my internet printable coupons, everything went through fine. All of my $4 coupons went through fine, including the big ones that were giving us overage. So now let me show you my receipt. So here is everything that we got in all of our coupons. My total before taxes after my coupons were applied was $75.20. Then I immediately in the car scanned in that receipt. I got back $44.70 from IBOTTA. So I was able to hit both of my bonuses. I got back $19 from Swagbucks, and I didn't have to like submit for approval or anything like that. It was an instant award and everything went through. From Shopkick, I got back 2,705 receipt kicks, and I had already gotten 70 scan kicks. So I got back a total of $11.10 from Shopkick. From Zardy, I'm getting back $6.86 once I complete all of the surveys and all of that. From Fetch, I got back $1.15, and then from Checkout 51, I got back $1. So here is the complete breakdown for everything. The total back that I received back was $83.81. So this entire haul was free, including the taxes that I paid and everything. But going off of the subtotal alone, this was free plus an $8.61 moneymaker for all of these items that we got. We got cleaning items, we got food. So this was a great, great day at Walmart, you guys. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. I thank you all so, so much for watching today's video. And as always, you guys, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.